Digital Business Associates. Karen, you've got to be kidding me. Not again. We can't keep doing this. Where is that file? What a day. So I'm gonna sit down, watch some TV.
Hello, and welcome to Campton Forest Preserve, and this is Nurtured by Nature. I'm one of the naturalists at the Forest Preserve District of Kane County, and I'm inviting you to come out and relax with me in this beautiful natural setting. Wait a minute. You look stressed. I think you need to join me out here. Close your eyes.
Who are you?
I'm one of the naturalists at the Forest Preserve. Welcome, and you are part of Nurtured by Nature.
Okay.
You looked a little stressed, so I thought you might, benefit from being out here in nature with us.
Yeah, I am stressed. How did you know?
I could just tell through the camera.
Oh.
I could just feel your vibes. But you know what? We've got some friends with us today, and we're going to walk here in the forest, and we are going to learn a little bit about nature and calm down and relax.
Well, that sounds great. Let's go.
All right, let's do it. Come on, girls.
Hi.
Hi. All right, so let's walk up here. You know, when we're in nature here, there's a lot of things to see and a lot of health benefits because nature has so many interesting things to look at. Like, take a look at this pine tree. You see how the branches are all kind of in a circular pattern all the way up the tree? Well, pine cones have that same effect too. They have scales that go all the way around. It's kind of interesting to see these patterns in nature, and we'll see them everywhere. And these patterns are called fractals. But we're going to head down the path because you know what? Being out in nature decreases your stress, our anxiety, and it's actually good for us. It gets our heart rate down, our blood pressure down, and take in that nice deep breath again. Those nice fresh air. Feel that sun on your face. And look at how it dapples on all the pretty green leaves. It's fabulous. All right, we're going to continue walking now, but what I'd like you to do is just to listen for things that are going on around us. You can listen close or far away, but quietly walking. Hey, look at this. This is a really interesting plant. It's called bedstraw, and it's like Velcro. But look how the leaves are all whirled around it. Remember we talked about patterns? And it's so sticky. You know, we're here in summer, and it's a beautiful time to be out in the forest, but any season really is a good time to be out here. Winter, you get the bright blue skies and cool weather. Spring, you get the pretty wildflowers here, and you get the migrant birds. And of course, you know, fall has the beautiful colors of the leaves. So how you feeling now?
You know, I'm feeling so much better. This nature stuff really has some benefits to it.
My work here is done. Wow, that was fun. Hope you all feel nurtured by nature now, and you can join us again next month when we explore another forest preserve. So girls, let's leave from here.